Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto caption in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this you can add a video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add auto caption in a CapCut, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the text at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the text on the auto caption, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you just choose original sound on a voiceover or a booth. If you wanna mix auto caption with original sound at this video, so you can choose original sound. But if you wanna make auto caption with a voiceover, so you just click on the voiceover. And if you wanna make auto caption with a booth, so you just click on the booth. And after this, in here you can select the language, because in this video this Indonesian language, so I wanna choose Indonesian, this one. So you just click on it, and after this you can click back this one. And now you can click on the star at the bottom. Okay, you can waiting up until this process has been finished. And finished. So that how to add auto caption in CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.